Good morning. How's everyone doing? Welcome to XenSummit. If you haven't already met me, I'm Kelly. I'm going to be your host today for your keynote sessions. To get started, I'd like to thank our sponsors. At Platinum level, we have XenServer. At Gold, we have ARM, and we have our Diversity Scholarship, ZAL. Without our sponsors, today couldn't happen, so I'd like to express gratitude to our sponsors today. Thank you to everyone who submitted a CFP and to our program committee for lining up a great set of talks today for everyone. So we have Julian, Ian, Demi, Edwin, and Jürgen to thank for that. So welcome, everyone. Before we get started, I'm going to run over some housekeeping rules, just so that everyone knows what to expect at XenSummit. So for all your breaks, those will be upstairs, and there'll be signages. Myself and Evie will also guide you during the breaks upstairs. For lunch, that is in the Bonsai and Fontana Bar on floor 0. If you refer to the schedule of your event, you can scan these on your QR passes, and that will just showcase everything that's happening today, all the talks and the sessions. I'll also run through how our design sessions work. Day 1, so today and tomorrow, these will be recorded, but on day 3, we won't have any recordings, and these will be sent out to you after the event and also on YouTube as well. Just a quick reminder, we do have a code of conduct, and we take these really seriously, so if anyone does have any concerns, please do come to myself or the Linux Foundation team member, and we'll get this sorted. A big welcome to our virtual attendees. So if you're in person today, that's what the iPad here is for. We have sent out a free Jitsi link for virtual attendees to get involved, and this is free of charge. So if you have anyone at home today that can't join as part of your team, please do forward the email instructions for them to join. They're being shared on Matrix channels and mailing lists. For today, the session link that we'll use is called the main sessions presentation link. For tomorrow, you'll see 2 separate links, which is named Design Session A and Design Session B. If you don't know which one you're going to be joining, just look for the room. That is the same link that will be used throughout. For any questions that our virtual attendees have, please try and type these in the chat for today, and our team will try and relay those questions where possible. Okay, straight into design sessions. So if you've been here before, you probably know how this works. For those that haven't attended, I'll run through how our design sessions work at XenSummit. So you can scan the QR code on the screen or use the link, and you can submit and vote on any sessions you'd like to see. For tomorrow's sessions, these have already been scheduled so that everyone knows where to go and what to look forward to. However, Thursday design sessions, these are still open, so feel free to submit any or vote on any that you'd like to see. Make sure you use the Europe and Lisbon time zone. I appreciate everyone today. That'll be fine, but any other virtual attendees around the world, just make sure you're the right time to join. And during the design sessions, please nominate someone to host. The link's already available, so it's just a case of joining the link and unmuting to allow our virtual attendees to join. So very quickly, this is what it looks like for anyone that looks at the design session page. You'll have a number of different talks that have been submitted by all our attendees today, and you can just vote whether you want to see them, either none, a little, yes, or very. And what will happen is an algorithm will generate the schedule based on the most popular sessions that have been voted. The fun bit, so we do have an off-site dinner reception. So this is tomorrow. The venue is at Infame Lisboa. It's about a 22-minute walk, so I'm sure this shouldn't be a problem because it's nice and sunny out there. But obviously, if you do want to, you can take a taxi or Uber there as well. It starts from 6 p.m. till 9 p.m. However, you are free to stay and leave when you want. We really do encourage everyone goes along, since this is our in-person conference. Really want to make sure that you network with new people and some of your old colleagues as well. Lastly, use the tag #SendProjectSummit. So what we really want to do is increase our visibility. We really want loads of photos and social media sharing. So we are on LinkedIn and we are on X. If you do take any photos, tag us and these will be reshared. What we really want to do is make sure that everyone sees what we get up to at the XenSummit. We want to make sure this is a recurring annual event, and so any social media posts that you do, we'd really appreciate that. The last thing is next week, the Linux Foundation will be sending out an event survey. Please do answer this. I promise you it's only about 10 questions. It lets both myself and the team know whether you like this venue, you like this location, if talks are going well, anything like that. Feedback is really appreciated. Okay, and with that is all the housekeeping. So I will get started with the 2024 weather report.